Hey everyone, it's Lisa, and today is Saturday, and we're going to try this over again. But I do have my family waiting on me to go to lunch and a movie. We're going to go see, I don't know, a movie that Will picked out. I think it might be, I don't know, maybe the Teen Titans or something like that. But anyway, I thought I would do a quick video and at least show you some of the things that we got when we were in Washington. Brooke and I just went shopping one time. Actually, Brooke and I went shopping one night. We went to the, here, I saw it on this receipt the other day. We went to the Nordstrom, the fashion center at Pentagon City in Arlington, Virginia, and we just did Nordstrom. And then I think the last night that we were there, right down from our hotel, we stayed right in the city, which I was so happy because I loved that city experience for me and the children. It was kind of like a New York city, but smaller and, I don't know, I hate to say cleaner and just less crowded, less, you know, hustle and bustle, and we enjoyed it. We did Uber, we did the cabs, which we had never done before as a family. And but the second night, I think after dinner, the Gucci store was right around the corner from our hotel, and there was we had gone in a Forever 21 and a Zara. And here's Bridget. Hold on, let me shut the door. Okay, so I have some things to show you that I bought at Nordstrom, and I wore this yesterday. I wore it in my video, so I'm gonna try to put a clip in here. But this is actually kind of like a leftover from the Nordstrom sale. I'm not sure if it's still like on sale, but it was a good deal. It is the Laura Mercier lipstick, a really good one in antique pink, which is a wonderful Your Lips But Better kind of mid-tone pink. And then a good gloss, which is called Baby Doll, one of their best. I can remember when I was checking out that last time at the Nordstrom sale in Atlanta, I remember the Lancome counter was right to my left, and I remember the girl saying to a woman, "You will love this lip liner, Plumberry. It's one of our best sellers." And right then I remember thinking I should have gotten that kit, but I had already checked out. So my Plumberry was down to about like this, and it kept getting lost in my lip liner drawer. So I wanted this anyway. So I went ahead and grabbed this kit, and it is a beautiful combination. I think it is something that everyone would love. And like I said, I'll try to put a picture in here. So I'm glad I got that. And I actually already had the antique pink. I'm gonna just find it and then give this one to my mom. Okay, this new lash. I have bought this a couple times, and then a couple times the company has sent this to me, and I probably could have looked through my email and had them send me another, but I went ahead and bought the big one because I have been so happy with my lashes. I do not have to wear lashes every day to feel good. And, you know, I'm exploring with different mascara combinations. Right now, I've been loving the Chanel Volume as a base, and then the It Superhero mascara on top. That gives real dramatic lashes. If you don't like clumpy, you might not like them, but that gives a really good false lash look. And so I grabbed another big one of these when I was there. Okay, this is one of my favorite things, and I've got this on today. Ooh, and I'm pretty much zoomed in. Okay, this is in the new collection, so if you want this, you need to probably hurry up if it's not already sold out. It's the Rouge Dior new collection, and it's called Devilish Nude. And it is beautiful. I've got it on today with Lancome Ideal. If you don't like a lip liner look, there's so much more you could put it with. You could even put it with a pink, would look pretty. You could put it with Spice. You could put it with a peach liner. And it's just, I love the sheen of it. I picked this up for Tammy too because I know that she will love it. And it's just gorgeous. It has that look kind of like, do you guys remember Chanel Pink Accent or Dior VIP Pink? It has that look. Like if you liked those, you're gonna love it. It's just beautiful. Then, okay, I got these in the mail. I think I was watching a Desi video, Desi Perkins, and she showed these, and they're the Harry Josh, here, I'll back up off you for a minute, Harry Josh clips. And you guys know I love like these little clips anyway, but these are big ones. Look how big these are. And they are for putting your hair back, or you can put these in when your hair is, if I do it, I usually do it when my hair is about 90% dry, just a little bit of bendability in it, and you can do waves with these. But what I like to do is if I want my bangs to be straight, I'll just pull my bangs back real straight and then put those clips in to grab all those little baby hairs and broken hairs and everything else, and love them. And these are just so pretty and so professional, and you know, such a good presentation. I think they're worth it. I'm gonna enjoy these. I wear the heck out of those other clips. Matter of fact, here they are, some more little ones, but these are gonna be good because they're big. Sometimes I have to put in multiples of these. Okay, then I'm worried about this lipstick. Let me go wash this off real quick. Okay, so then we went to the lingerie type, you know, nightgowns, everything section. Brooke and I love stuff like that. And I went ahead and broke down and bought this bodysuit that I have been in love with for months now. And it's by Spanx. And it is one, you know, it's not the, let's see, what is it? So it's not the smoothing, it's the shaping, but it's not the sculpting. So it's the in-between version. And quite frankly, I just am in love with the look of it. I mean, is that not the most beautiful? I really, this stuff like this just inspires me to want to get in shape and look better and lose a little bit of weight. And that's really on my mind. I don't like the gym. I really don't like sweating or exercise or even tennis shoes or socks. But I do like being healthy and I like looking good. So I am looking into what I'm going to do. It's going to be something soon. And I have some goals, some interesting, funny goals, but I'll share those with you later. But looking good in this would be one of them. And you can wear a bra with it, but you don't have to. The biggest negative, and they do have this in black, is it doesn't have the snaps. It has, I guess you wear it like you would your underwear or whatever. And I got the medium, but the girl that working there, she loves bodysuits, and she said that she had the black one and she loved it, that she would wear it with her black pants under like a blazer. She just had all these beautiful outfit ideas, and I just particularly like that color, so I got that. And so if you have it, let me know what you do about the bathroom situation. I won't tell you what she said because I don't want to get into graphics, but anyway, she told me a way to deal with that. Okay, then I bought this little bralette there. I just love the color, and I kind of needed that color straps to go with some of my, today I need a gray one, don't I? But I just liked that and wanted to try it. I bought this little cami from Nordstrom. It was one of those, they're like 2 for $40, I think. I just got one, and it was $29. I don't know what the deal was, but anyway, it's the 2-way, so you can wear it, you know, V-neck or a higher neck, but I just love the color, and I just love throwing on a cami, throwing on leggings, black pants, jeans, and then in the summer, I just kind of like to go with that, and in the winter, then I can put on one of my mini sweaters, jackets, faux furs. It's just a good base, and even if I end up putting something over it, I just love the way it looks. And then the girl that was working there said this was her favorite bodysuit, and it's one size fits all. It's by Chantel Seamless Ultra Comfort Innovation, and it's just a good black bodysuit. Yeah, see it there. And I liked the way the edges were kind of, I don't know, it's just, you'd have to feel it, I think, to appreciate this. It's not quite like the Commando, but it has that kind of feeling, like you know it's going to just fit you snug. And I've told you before, I love that feeling of compression, I guess, and it's like a safety thing for me. And so I grabbed it to try it because it was one of her favorites. Okay, and did I get anything else from there? I don't see anything here to show you, but I'm going to stand up and show you some things that I got at Zara and Forever 21, so I'll be right back. Okay, first of all, I put this in the information slot last time, but this is a dress I bought from Victoria's Secret. It's a good, basic, beautiful slip dress, and it has a pretty back. I don't know if you can see the cross back, And it comes in several colors. I think if you want a slip dress just to have in your just capsule collection, just a collection just to have, I think this is a beautiful, beautiful slip dress, and it will take you far. You could put it underneath a pullover sweater to just hang out. You could belt it. You can wear it under your moto jacket, under a blazer. There's just so much you can do with this, and I think this is just a really good one, and I believe it was on sale for like $49, and they had just some really pretty colors. And everything I show you is going to kind of be wrinkly because where we packed it to come back. So I need to steam everything and hang it up. Okay, and then what I have on today, this and these flowy pants. They're high-waisted with a little tie. Both of these came from Zara. And then this, I love this so much. You guys know how much I love chartreuse, and I love these silky button-up shirts. And I love this. I thought about wearing this last night just with leggings to do my video, but I wanted to save it for a day. I really felt good. I think this with like a bodysuit underneath it, or a pretty, I bought one of those black Free People really fancy bras, and I cannot find it. I'm hoping that it's here somewhere, or it's in Brooks stuff, but the one that has a bunch of lace, I'll link it down below. But to be able to wear something like that under it, and then wear this kind of unbuttoned low with some leggings and some boots, I just think it's so pretty. And let's see, it's Forever 21, and it was $19.90, and I got the large because I wanted it to fit, you know, almost open and off, not off the shoulder, but you know what I mean, not tailored. And then I grabbed this one because I love the fleshy nude tone. I liked how this one was kind of like a pullover. Same idea with like leggings or jeans or whatever, and boots, and just that casual, sexy look, I think. I'm thinking of like Diane von Furstenberg, Lauren Hutton, you know, some of the Guess models. That's what I think of when I see these. Okay, this is a simple little top I got from Zara. And I think that these, I have a silky one that's kind of shaped like this. It's not really, really cropped, but somewhat cropped. These look great with like, even my just black yoga pants from New York & Company. They look good with jeans, everything. This is just a good top to have. It's kind of got the seam at the top. It would even look good with these pants. It's just a good one, a good basic. Okay, Brooke and I both grabbed these pants. I think I got the medium and she got the extra small. And they're just cropped, pretty tan pants that I believe will come up high. And I thought they would look good with heels, like my Dior heels, and just a bodysuit like I've got on now. And, you know, I can put on my leather jacket, I can put on a blazer, just lots of possibilities. And I love a good pull-on pant. I know some people don't, but I just, you know, I'm all about the ease, and I think these are really pretty. The color is really nice, and they were $39.90. Okay, I didn't necessarily buy this to go with those, but it's along that same color scheme is this jacket, and John really liked this when I tried it on. But just a good cream colored jacket, jeans, you know, anything this will look good with. And I love it. Love the color, kind of like this detail. Just a good basic to have with a long necklace, like that pyrite necklace. Even this gray and cream look good together to me. Okay, this is what I was just most excited to show you. Do you guys remember the long black jacket I got like this last year at Zara? And so many of you wanted it, and it was sold out. But my one last year had a collar, and I debated on whether or not to get this, but I didn't want to regret it. And it was $129, but I wore the heck out of that jacket, and it looked so good with so many things. It's Chanel-esque looking, and this one, like I said, just has that kind of collar, but it has, you know, the nice buttons. And so I wanted to make sure I showed you this because I think a lot of you would really, really, really enjoy this. Okay, so I think that's it, and I just put on this, I tell you, I think the reason I wear this jacket so much, this particular leather jacket, is because it's so worn in, and I think the reason why is because I have gotten rained on. I think the secret to a good leather jacket is practically drag it behind your car. I mean, just wear it in the rain, wear it, you know, all the time. Don't, like Rachel Zoe says, don't treat it like it's precious. Really, really wear it, and it will get so broken in that it will be your favorite one. I want to do that to my Anina Bing one because I really love that one, but it's kind of stiff. And so I'm gonna start wearing it in the rain and stuff too. And so for accessories, I have on some black Betsy Johnson earrings. I have on my Kyle Chan Lisa necklace. I got my Lion Gucci ring out to wear. I had this like in a drawer in the little pretty package, like little pouch that he comes in, but I need to take him out so I'll wear him more. And I have a Gucci unboxing. I've got two beautiful boxes right there that I have not opened of two things that I bought, and I want to do a separate video on that. And I need to do it soon because my parents want to see the things that I got. And so I will do that soon. And same nail polish. Oh, updates on the stuff I used. I used all my new makeup today. Absolutely love the two eyeshadows from Marc Jacobs. Love the Kat Von D liner. It is a little bit different, but I feel like I really got a good wing with it. Of course, I think I liked everything. The only thing that was marginal is the foundation. And the only thing I would say is I put the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless filter underneath it. And if I hadn't have, I don't think I would have liked it, but it is thick. It comes out very thick, and you're gonna need something with some slip underneath it. My face is just not that oily. But if you are very oily, I think that you would love that. It's a beautiful finish. My makeup layered well on it, but I could just tell like places that I'm not really oily, like really, I'm not even really oily on the chin. It's really just my nose and right here and like right here. I noticed, you know, that it would probably not be good for someone who is dry, but you wouldn't get it anyway. So that's the feedback on that. And I hope you guys have a wonderful Saturday. I'm gonna try to upload this tonight, and then I will try to do my unboxing. I tell you, my nerves are kind of shot because Will's first day of school is Monday, and we still need to go get school supplies. I've bought him some clothes, but I need to go pick him up a new pair of shoes. I let it slip up on me. For some reason in my head, it was I had one more week. Like I thought we were going on vacation, then we had a week, and then it started. And then all of a sudden, it was orientation. So I'm kind of freaked out about that. But once he gets in the groove, I'll be fine. So anyway, have a great weekend, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.